Welcome to the Sweetie Pie Heart tutorial. This is a sister pattern to the Sweetie Pie earrings. You'll need some craft cord or thick yarn, scissors of course, and I used a 3.5mm hook. Use the hook that's comfortable for you. I found this cute medium-sized heart at Hobby Lobby. The first thing you'll want to do is create a slip knot. Then insert your hook through your wire piece and put your yarn on the hook. Now you want to create these first stitches over the wire and the yarn end. So create one stitch and then begin single crocheting. It's a little hard to work with that thick cord, and maybe I should have sized up on my hook, but I was committed. So make 3 single crochet stitches working over the wire and over your yarn end. That way you don't have to worry about weaving in that end at the end of your project. After you have your 3 single crochets, 2 chains, and then continue working 3 single crochets and chain 2 all the way around the circumference of your heart. Once you make it all the way around your heart, go ahead and start making some chains. You can chain as many as you want to make a loop to hang your heart. When you have your chain as long as you want it, then go ahead and cut off the yarn. And then I like to remove my hook from the working chain and insert it from the back to the front of the very first single crochet that I made. As you can see, it was a bit hard to get into that stitch. Then I put the working chain back on my hook and pull through. And then go ahead and pull that yarn end all the way through the loop, tighten it up, and we're almost done. Now we just need to weave in that last end and we'll be done. So in order to weave in the end, I thread the needle and then I like to go through just a few stitches at a time. It can be kind of hard, especially since I made very tight stitches. So you may want to have a pair of needle nose pliers handy in case you have a hard time pulling the needle through by hand. And I did, so I used my handy needle nose pliers. You don't want to yank, but just gently wiggle your needle through the stitches until it releases. The very last step is to trim those yarn ends, and then you're ready to hang up your heart.